Welcome back, everyone. This is Ed from Mr. C's Auto Mart. My name is Ed Tapper. We're looking at a beautiful Chrysler 200S all-wheel drive sedan. That's the luxury sport model for the Chrysler 200s. This is a 2015. Beautiful condition. 130,000 miles. It's got the Pentastar V6 engine. Great reliability. Along with these black painted factory 18-inch wheels. It's got passive entry system, as you can see on the door handle, so you can get in without unlocking the door if you have the key in your pocket. As we pan around the car, it's in terrific condition. You see it's an all-wheel drive, and it's a 200S sports model with a dual chrome exhaust. Again, condition is excellent. Body colored door handles and mirrors, and black eggshell grille, Chrysler emblem. The seats on this are leather trim seats, but they have blue trim, very spiffy, very nice looking, and we have rear air and heat vents. Now this car has the comfort group, so it has lots of amenities. Power driver seat. It has the comfort group that gives you the Alpine stereo, which is, I think, 11 speakers. You've got a Bluetooth, cruise control, and trip functions on the steering column. 130,746 miles. You see you have the ambient lighting, which is blue. Really nice touch for the interior. We have the 8.4-liter radio that gives you controls for your seats, your climate, all your apps, and GPS navigation. So this all comes with that comfort group, along with the extras like the controls for heated seats, etc. Of course, it has rear backup camera. Have this console that gives you your media center. It's a very, very nice car. We invite you to come and take a look. I'll help you personally. My name is Ed Tapper. It's listed at this time for $12,877. It's just a great deal. Another one of our great deals. And the website's MrC'sAutomart.com, and my direct number is 708-473-2014. Thanks.